Hi guys, my name is Kion. Hi guys, today we're gonna make a muffin. Mommy, come on, let's go. Let's make a muffin.
Wait.
You know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Oh, do you know the Muffin Man? Do you lane? Yes, I know the Muffin Man. Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man? We have a great pancake.
What? Korean hot cake mix.
Yes.
Okay, and then what?
We have eggs.
Eggs. Okay. And then, but we will only use one. Okay, and then,
We have chocolate in Oro. We love Oro.
you love Oro. I also love Oro. And then, yeah, it's the Oro calamansi cheesecake chocolate.
Yes.
And then, what other chocolate you have here?
I have Goya.
We also love Goya.
But this one is kind of like a chocolate. But
Yeah,
it's
it's
a cake.
Yeah, it's a chocolate cake.
Guys, we're going to start now. First is the liquid ingredients on top of milk.
Put it there. Oh no.
Sorry guys, I'm so messy. But
It's okay.
I can't do it.
You can do it. It's okay.
But we need to wipe it off because we made a mess.
It's okay. And then next is
The egg.
okay, you put it.
Yes, it's the
We're going to put it on the top. What else are we gonna make? Okay.
butter.
What's that?
It's a butter.
Oh my god. It's a melted butter.
It's a melted butter.
Okay. Mix it.
We're gonna mix it carefully. It might spill. The glass is so good. The glass.
The glass bowl.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my dear. It's trying to make like a milk.
Do you think it's good enough?
It's good.
Okay, let's make the dry ingredients now.
Now the oil ingredients is good. Now let's do the soil ingredients. Guys, this is the flour. Be careful. That's too much.
Yeah.
First, it's falling down like a rainy cloud. It's like raining.
Careful, Kuya. Do you need a spoon?
Yes.
Wait. Okay. Do you mix that first, Kuya? The liquid ingredients.
Okay, the liquid ingredients. Let's mix that already. Mix that, mix.
Mom is helping you with the powders.
Yeah, because it's so hard for him.
Oh,
Kyle can do it next time.
And we will buy a lot more bigger strainer.
that's great.
Because this is so...
We're gonna mix it all. It looks hard.
What?
Let's. Ma. Whoa, whoa,
I'm
whoa.
going to help to Kiona.
Mama. Ma.
Can't yet because you gotta stop.
Are you? There's still a little bit. There's a little bit. A little bit. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. That's too much raining. It's like when it's raining, it's like it turns like
Almost done, Kuya.
Kuya, there's a baby behind you.
Hey,
There's a baby behind Kuya.
hey, Kiona, stop helping me.
Why? Let her
Because
help you.
he's a baby, because she might miss it.
It's okay. She's not gonna miss. What's that? Kuya Kayon? Oh no, what's that?
Sorry guys, I made a mistake.
Slowly, Kuya.
Oh, why
The
is that
cocoa
move?
powder should be sipped as well, just like the flour.
Can you help me?
Sure, okay.
It keep on spilling into me.
Oh my god. Okay,
Okay, now
we're done with the... Now you put the...
let's put this one.
What's
Sugar.
Sugar.
Okay, put it.
First we add it with a spoon. Then I'm gonna mix it so that it will taste good.
Then we can put this one.
Then you will put this. Now
Put the
you will
chocolate.
put this one for me. Let's do it. That's so mixed. It's mixed. The cake baker's man bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and roll it and bake it with a bean. Bake it with me.
Okay.
It's still mixed.
We can now mix the... you now put the liquid ingredients here.
Now let's
Help
Careful,
him.
can you help?
I need help.
Okay.
My hands look so dirty.
Okay. Okay. Mix it.
Okay, I will mix it. It's so hard. It starts to mix. The bowl is starting to mix.
You hold it.
Hold the bowl.
I have it. It looks like a plum.
What? What's a plum?
It's so big and yummy. It's so slow. And it's big. Silent. I will help, Mom.
Okay, continue mixing it until it becomes smooth, kuya, and thick.
It becomes smooth and big when it could be smooth and big. It became smooth and big. Mommy? Mommy? I'm doing fast, 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 fast. We're putting it in the muffin cup now. The muffin
Not so full. That's enough, kuya. Just a half. Okay, that's okay now. Put it on another cup.
there's still brown on it. That's too much brown.
Kuya, can you please try to not mess up?
I will not try it. Finish.
Putting it.
Okay, guys, we're ready. We're finished. We're ready to bake. Yummy.
So you're done baking it? Well done.
Hello,
Esther.
guys. We're ready to decorate the muffin.
You're ready to decorate it?
Yes, Mom. What other color do you need, Mom?
We still have white here. Oh, there's a white there. You can use the white one if you want.
Oopsie.
Oopsie.
What have
you
I
get
done?
you get the you should just press it here on the bottom so that it will go out like that. Oh, see? You can put the white one too.
Right there. And the I'm ready to put some colors. I'm ready. It's getting like a worm.
What? It's like a worm. Okay.
Now
And
the
then you can
other
also put
one.
sprinkle, kuya. It's like a volcano. Look at this one. It's like a volcano, right?
Yes, but it kind of like
Looks yummy though.
it looks yummy though. I guess so. It looks yummy. I guess. It's spilling.
You can press it on the bottom so that it will come out. And then you open this sprinkle. You can put a sprinkle on it too.
Yummy. White. Yummy.
Okay, you open the sprinkle and then put some sprinkle on it.
Open the. How?
Ate Jill, can you open this first? Thank you.
Sure.
Alright, here. You put some sprinkle on your muffin. Oh no, don't put it on your mouth. Put it on the muffin.
I'm eating it.
Don't eat it first. put some sprinkle. Put some sprinkle in your palm, and then you can put it over the muffin. Kuya, you put some sprinkle on your palm like this, or you put a sprinkle on my palm. Come on. No, don't use your hand. Just pour the bottle on my palm. Like you pour it, don't get it from inside. Oh, anyway, see, we're putting some sprinkle on it. Oh no, the sprinkle is not getting there. Kuya, give me your palm. You should do it like this. Oh.
Yeah.
Open your palm first. Okay, and then we're putting a little bit on there. No, you put it here. Okay, you put it on the muffin. Oh no, it goes all over everywhere. But it's okay. See guys, that's Kian's muffin.